Hey guys, if your dream is to go to Australia, whether for studies, work, or just travel, then this video could be a total game changer for you. Because today, I'm going to show you how you can get an Australia visa for just $20,000 with minimum documents and a simple process. Segment 1. Visa types 025 to 110 first. Let's quickly understand the main visa types for Australia. 1 tourist visa subclass 600 for short visits or holidays. 2 student visa subclass 500 for studies and courses. 3 work visa. PR pathway for jobs, and long-term stay. In this video, we'll focus on the tourist visa because it's fast, affordable, and perfect for beginners. Segment 2, what does $20,000 cover? 1:10 to 2 o'clock, now the big question. What does this $20,000 actually include? Well, it usually covers consultancy fees, file submission, and document preparation. The official government fee is separate, but if you apply through a verified agency, your process becomes smoother and your chances of rejection drop significantly. The best part, you can apply with basic documents only, just your ID proof, bank statement, and a simple travel plan.
Segment 3, required documents. Let's take a quick look at the required documents. Valid passport, 2 to 3 recent photos. Bank statement lasts 3 to 6 months. ITR, if available, travel plan or return ticket. Invitation letter if you're visiting a friend or relative. Even with these basic documents, you can easily apply for a tourist visa. Segment 4, process and timeline. The process is super simple. 1. Fill out your online form on immi.gov.au to upload your scanned documents. 3. Make the payment and book your biometric appointment. 4. After submission, you'll get your result in 15 to 25 days. And if you're confused about form filling, you can always take help from a verified visa consultant. Segment 5, tips and common mistakes. Most visa rejections happen because of 2 common reasons. 1. Incomplete documents, 2. Weak financial proof. So always keep your documents clear and genuine. And please, stay away from fake agents who claim 100% guarantee. The final decision is always made by the embassy, not any agent. Outrow plus soft cause promotion. So guys, that was the complete process of getting your Australia visa for just $20,000. With minimum documentation and maximum clarity. If this video helped you, don't forget to drop a like. And comment Aus Visa if you'd like me to make the next one on Australia work visa or PR process. Now, listen, if you're someone who's seriously planning to apply, I've created a complete guide that explains step-by-step form filling, document formats, and practical examples. The same guide I use for my own applications. It's a short course worth $299, and you can get it directly from me. Just DM me on Instagram, and I'll share the details personally. Make sure to subscribe for more genuine visa updates, no fake promises, just real guidance.